My beautiful princess.
Ah.
My lovely angel.
Sweetheart.
My lovely angel. I wonder what life will be without you.
Well, then love doesn't exist.
Say, if there is another world to come, it will still be you.
Of course. Because there is no me without you, darling. For our love is made in heaven.
Sure, it's made in heaven. And when other love dies, ours will remain forever.
Come here.
Are you not done?
I like it here.
Come on.
I like it here.
Come on, stand.
Honey.
Come on. Stand.
I like it
Come
here.
on, stand. Easy. We have to start going, my ravishing, wonderful princess.
Well, my ever principled Prince Charming, I have not had enough fun yet. I'm not going.
No, you've had enough for the day. Okay? Yes.
Oh.
We just have to go. Okay? I wish this can last forever. If wishes were horses, I just wish. Okay? We just have to go now and get ready for our journey tomorrow.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sure, your wish is my command.
So, shall we? My beautiful princess.
Of course, the most attractive man in my eyes. Honey, you have a way with words, and I am addicted to it.
Love in the air, absolutely. They look so cute.
Your voice is so soft, so melodious. If it's like a song, I am going to play it endlessly.
Oh, Mr. Poet. Or rather, should I say Mr. Romantic? I love you, babes.
I love you more. So,
Fine.
let's go.
Let's go, babes.
Welcome, my
So, how are you? I miss you. Hey, come, let me see you. Hey, God. Welcome. Oh my God. Hey,
my in-law.
how are you? Oh my God, I miss you.
The city is good. How are you guys here in the village?
We are fine. I can see the children are looking like Oyibo.
I'm only doing my job.
Thank you for taking care of my daughter and my grandchildren.
It is sharp. See the way you are just glowing. The city is favoring you. Hey, my sister. Hey, come.
Mayo. I didn't expect to see you in the village. Did you come back?
I came in 2 days ago. That laptop you promised me. Hope you carried it too. If not, we'll have problem.
Sister, I didn't bring it because I wasn't expecting to see you in the village. I'm not gonna make no. I didn't know you were.
Come. Let me bring things from the car.
Okay. Sister, I'm coming. No. Hey, you must go inside. Sit inside.
It's wonderful. Really. So you can actually cook like this.
Honey, just like me.
Just like you. Thank you so much, my in-law.
Maybe we're gonna set a cooking competition for both of you.
Really, we should.
Get glass cups so they will drink juice.
Get some cups now. What are you doing there? Get some cups.
Papa, una get kwem gwa papi mchi. Papa, I want to tell you the reason we are here. Yeah.
Honey, say it.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to say it now. Papa, God has blessed me. God has blessed my family and I. And I believe you're part of the light. Okay? So I said, let me come and see what I can do for you. So you'll be happy. You know, in your own time, you've actually tried to put up a structure like this. When in this modern age, this doesn't befit you at all. Okay? So my wife and I said that we're going to...
You talk now. Say it.
Okay, I'm going to say it. My wife and I decided to put up a wonderful structure for you. A more befitting structure.
Yeah?
Yes.
Hey!
Did you just hear that? Hey! Hey, my in-law. My incomparable in-law.
So, Papa,
Hi!
I want you to find a land so we can build on the land for you. Because I know you're not going to allow us to demolish this one. Of course, it's Yobi. I know you wouldn't allow us to demolish it. So, get a land or look for someone that we can buy from.
We have lands. You don't need to buy.
I don't know anyone.
What of that one in Agri?
My in-law, do you mean what you are saying or you are just pulling my legs?
I meant every word of it.
Abasidlelu, God, you are so wonderful. Chineke Biligwe, you have just given me an angel in the form of an in-law. Thank you, my God. Ogobuchioy.
Papa.
Ogobuchioy. Dike Jemba.
Papa.
Otu onye ora nna asị nnọọ. Odogwu. Dike Jemba. Otu nwa ora nje emo.
Jinwa YouTube manu okana.
My God will bless you.
Amen.
My God will bless you.
Amen.
To my daughter.
Papa.
Oh, Adam.
Daddy.
So this is what you people are planning for your family. Ada Chineke di hicha manya mmiri.
Papa mo.
Oyiri nna ya.
Papa mo.
Mkpọrọ mma.
No.
Hey, God, you are wonderful. You are wonderful. Oya Adereginamma. Oya Adereginamma.
Amen.
God will bless you all.
Amen, Papa.
My in-law, you're such a wealthy man. You're not just wealthy, but you're so generous and selfless. You are 1 in a million. May God continue to bless you.
Amen.
I want to get glass cups so they will
I
bring
want
juice.
that. Sister, bring glass cup now.
I will get.
Did you give them something to eat?
Take up now so they
Let
will
us
drink
celebrate. Eh?
Go and get glass cups.
My daughter.
Stop this, my dear sister.
Adamma.
I have to start going now, okay? I'll be back on Sunday to take the kids back to the city so they can resume school. Yes. Papa, as we discussed, still remain the same. When I get back to the city, I'm going to talk with the engineer, okay? And get back to you.
That would be wonderful, my son.
Good, good.
Meanwhile, before you come back, I will get some keys to clear it.
It's okay.
It's alright.
My dear, I'll be back on Sunday to take you guys along.
No
Okay? I don't want that your
Yeah.
usual delay.
Boo,
Okay.
we are not delaying. You don't
have-
have anything to worry about.
We'll have to leave in time
I
to
heard
stay
you.
away from night driving.
I know.
Daddy, we are going
Daddy,
to
we
miss
miss you.
You're going to miss me?
Yes.
Okay, go and bring your bag. Let's
No,
go
no,
now.
no, we're going to
spend
stay
time,
with Grandma.
Come.
Sister, leave him to all his dad.
That means you're not going to miss
you
me
like-
now.
You're going
Eh,
to
you're going to
miss
meet
you.
you're going to meet Grandpa, and
Yes, but we're still going to miss you.
it's okay. It's okay. I'll be back on Sunday and pick you guys. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. You
Don't
take
worry,
care of
Daddy's
yourselves.
coming back, okay?
Okay. My dear, I'll
Yes,
be leaving now. Okay?
no problem. Yeah.
Take care.
Drive safe, okay?
Okay, Tony.
Papa.
It's alright.
Papa, let me see him.
I want to see Mom.
Everybody don't see
Yeah.
him.
Okay, everybody
Okay,
sit
fine.
down.
Let all of us go.
Everybody sit down.
Sir, you sent for me.
Oh yeah, Miss Lady, I sent for you. You see, because of the poor economic situation in this country, the company can no longer afford to buy raw materials. So the management, decided to take some, decisions. Because of this situation, we have cut down on staffs. Because the company can no longer pay their salaries. And the management have taken a drastic decision. We have to dismiss some of them. And I'm sorry to say that you are one of them.
What? No. No. No, we can't be. Please. I am one of the best and most efficient staff in this company. I have worked so hard, please, sir. Please don't do this to me, sir.
I am sorry, Miss.
No, sir,
We've been good friends over the years.
please. Sir, I do not have any other place to work. Please, sir, don't do this to me.
I know, Miss. We've been friends over the years. But there's nothing I can do.
Sir, please. No, take it back. Take it back, sir, please.
No, excuse me, I'm busy.
Sir, please.
Sis, are you serious?
Like I said, the company blamed it on economic recess. Meme,
Sister.
why am I cursed in this world?
Sister, why are you talking like this? You are not cursed. Is it because you lost your job? Stop it. I'm sure you're not the only one.
If I am not cursed, then tell me the reason for my endless misfortune. Everything I have done to be successful in life has failed. I am already clocking to my menopause. I don't have a husband of my own. I don't have a child. I don't even have a family.
Sister, stop now.
No, don't tell me to stop.
Stop.
Am I not getting old? Look at me.
Sister, stop it.
Am I not getting
Is it because I got married before you? You're still young, very much young, beautiful. Have you lost your faith in God? I just need you to trust God. Trust His timing. At the right time,
God does not exist.
Sister, God's time is the best. I am sure at the right time, He will do it for you. And it will be the perfect timing. Stop it.
I am tired. I am sick and tired of this world. Look at me. Do you know the humiliation I go through? Do you know what people say about me, Sister, at my age?
Oh God. Sister, forget about what people say. Shut them out. They are not your God. They don't matter. Do they feed you? No. What matters is what God says about you. Sister, I need you to stop all this. I understand. It's not like I don't understand how you feel. I understand, but I'm telling you. And I know that God will answer you at the right time. Stop these things. In fact, sister, you're going back to the city with me. Yes, because I can't leave you like this. I can't leave you here. And you going back to your house is not even advisable because you'll be there alone. Papa is always busy from one meeting to the other, then his business. So you need to be around people that care about you, people that are always available, so that whenever you feel like this, they will cheer you up. You're already slipping into depression. Before you know it, God forbid, you start thinking of suicide. So you need to be around people all the time, people that care about you, people that will console you when you're down like this, and then make you smile all the time. And you need to come to my house with me. It's even better, that way you're saving money from rent and all that, and feeding. You're coming to my house with me, Biko.
Your generosity is second to none. I will continue to pray for you.
It's okay.
Thank you. It's alright.
Yeah.
But I wish you people stayed longer.
Papa, don't worry. There are holidays by the corner. Okay? I'm going to package them and bill them.
Really, Papa, they would have stayed more, but because of school, we have to go back.
Papa, I'll miss you. Yes.
I'll miss you too.
See you.
Mikey, don't worry. Your daddy said that we are going to unite very soon.
Yes!
They love to come to the village.
Yes.
You people actually took care of Papa.
Yes! We love him.
Wow.
Of course.
Wow.
I hope you're not going to be disobedient to your parents. If I hear anything, trust Auntie Indy, I'll flog you.
Auntie, you not hear anything.
Okay, let's go. It's getting late.
Let's go, guys.
Getting late.
So you mean we'll
these
come
kids are
back?
so fresh. I hope you're taking your coffee down.
Thank you.
Sister, how will I say back?
Very soon.
You mean your friend and her husband are wonderful comedians?
I'm telling you.
And they can make it in Oscar award.
Honestly, babes.
Wow.
Those humans are very funny. I mean, those couple, they are something else. Oh my God, they cracked me up. Oh God.
That's wonderful.
That's
nice though.
Babes.
Yeah?
There's actually something I wanted to talk to you about.
Okay, talk to me. What is it? I'm all ears. Go ahead.
It's about my elder sister, Ndidi Amaka.
Okay.
You know she lost her job due to the pandemic. And I fear the implications should it culminate. So I was thinking maybe she should come and stay with us. And yes, babe, so that way whenever she's feeling down and feels like talking to someone, she can always confide in me and talk to us. You know, she's emotionally and psychologically down. And besides, babes, you know, And the rate of depression is on the rise these days, or even worse, suicide. Please.
I think you made a good decision there.
Thanks, please.
You know, your sister actually needs our shoulders to lean on.
Yes, she does.
Yeah. You know, the thing is that you don't have to be formal about this. Okay, we're talking about your sister. If you want to talk to me, you go ahead and talk to me. Stop making it to look as if you're doing me a favor or I'm trying to do you a favor.
Please.
Okay? Yes, your sister is part of the family now.
I know, but babes, we are partners, and I should discuss every decision before I make them with you. No, I thank you so much because I know you just said yes now. See why I love you, babes. Thank you. You're the best.
You're welcome. I love you more. I love you more.
I love
more
you.
And more and more.
Love you so much.
You know that song?
Which one?
I love you.
Babes. Okay, fine. Hold on. Let me lie down so you sing me.
So keep on
Sing me a lullaby. Baby.
Hey, see, love is beautiful. I tell you, it's so meaningful. Love is everything now. It feels like heaven on earth. It's like once upon a time, there's a king and a queen. Baby, our stories will be told. Everybody's gonna know how I love you. Love is a wonderful thing. Love is a beautiful thing. Love is a wonderful thing. Love is a wonderful thing. Every day feels like Christmas. Be assured that we be your assistants. Anytime you need me, I'm gonna be here. Baby, you're the reason why I the Bugatti. What more do I need? I have a queen in you and I'm your king. This love is made in heaven. Nobody can break this bonding. So what do you say about love again? Love is a beautiful, it's so beautiful, and it's so love is so wonderful.
Hey! Hey! This is paradise. Hey! See your house. Hey! Hey! Oh God!
We just bought the house a few months ago.
Hey!
It's not been long we packed it.
Ah! Oh my, this is so unbelievable. Well, your husband sure has high taste for good things.
You can say that again.
Hey! My sister!
Come inside.
See my small sister!
Emeka! Hey! Don't worry, you'll get your bus.
Alright.
Love is a beautiful thing. Love is a beautiful thing.
Hey!
Sis, welcome to our new home.
This is paradise. Oh! See interiors. Oh my God. Wow. This house is so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey! Oh my God. What about the kids and your husband?
They insisted they wanted ice cream, so my husband had to take them to buy it. I would have gone with them, if not that I had to come pick you up from the park.
Sis,
yes,
this is heaven on earth. So beautiful.
Thank you so much.
I've missed you so much.
I miss you too.
Hey, I'm happy for you.
Thanks. God is faithful. You know what, sis? Stop with admiration. You have to go to your room. I'll take you to your room so you shower. And then I make dinner. I'm sure before I'm done with dinner, they'll be back so we all eat. Because I know you're famished.
I've missed you so much. I'm so happy for you. Oh my God.
Please, stop. My God has blessed us.
Hey, see love.
Wow, cheers.
Wow. Honestly, this is the legacy defined. I can't imagine the last time I had such a super duper meal or even have a feel of a family bond. Thank you so much for your love and care towards me. I really appreciate it.
You don't need to thank anyone, okay? It's our responsibility to do this. Your sister here has told me everything about you, okay? And I understand your plight. So from now on, just know that you have a shoulder to lean on, our shoulder to lean on. Okay?
Meme.
Big sis.
Nick, darling. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your wonderful hospitality towards me.
You're welcome.
May God keep blessing you guys.
Amen.
I think I'm going to take you guys around the city to explore.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thanks, baby. I'm so proud of you.
You're the best.
No, you are the best. You.
Hey, table manners.
What were you doing?
Table manners.
Okay.
Eat your food.
You don't mean it.
Honestly, sis, you need to see the posh vacation my husband took me to in Abuja. Hey! We were lodged in the most expensive hotel in Abuja. One popular one like that, 5-star. I be 7-star, not even sure, maybe 7-star, but that hotel. Hey! For 1 week, me and my husband on lockdown without the kids.
I can imagine. You are so lucky. In fact, you are so lucky to have Nick. Nick, your husband, is 1 in a million.
You can say that again.
He's not just excellent in his matrimonial responsibility, but he extends every love and kindness to Papa and I.
I'm telling you.
You have to hold him very, very tight. I mean, hold him tight.
You don't need to tell me that. Big sis, this man is our prayer answered. God specially sent this man to our family to liberate us from poverty. Abject one. Sis, you remember how he used to be?
I remember. I remember.
I bless God every day for this man. I wake up every day grateful to God.
You really have to. But you can't be more certain. Okay, tell me. Where were the kids when you guys went for your, expensive and luxury vacation?
We left them with the maid now. We won't kill ourselves because we have kids. We have to enjoy ourselves now that we are young. Young couples like us. This is the time to live our lives. You know what I'm saying?
I can see my kids, sis. But there's God, it's not fair. You just left those kids just like that to go and flex.
Sis, I don't understand you. What would you have me do? My husband is back.
I can't wait to see him.
He'll be surprised to see me. My husband is back. Baby!
How are you?
Oh, I'm fine. How was your day?
Good. And yours? Hope you guys are catching fun.
It was so boring.
Boring?
You're welcome.
When you're with your gossip mate.
Nah, so. Gossip mates.
Okay. It's our 13th anniversary. I have a surprise for you. Guess what?
Babes, I can't. I can't do it.
Guess what?
Babes, come on. You know I'm not good at guessing.
Oh my God! It's a new car!
Babes, you bought me a car.
See, love is beautiful. I tell you, it's is so meaningful. Love is everything now. It feels like heaven on earth. It's like once upon a time, there's a king and a queen, baby.
Sis. You're already dressed for the outing?
Not really. I was about going out to see a friend for an urgent meeting.
Oh. Really?
Yes.
Big sis. We both know you don't have any friend you're going to see. Sis, I know. I know you're worried. Come on. You're my big sister, my only sister, and I know when you're not happy. In as much as you try to cover it up, it's written all over your face. Sis, come on. You see, I know you are down, and I understand. You see, this is why I insisted you stay with me, so I can always cheer you up whenever you're down like this. Besides, your brother-in-law, my husband, asked me to tell you to dress up, dress sexy, so we go celebrate our anniversary. And guess what? This is perfect. You are dressed for the occasion. So let me go get ready so we can go, okay? Cheer up. You know I love you.
I love you too.
See? Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Smile, smile. I love you, sis.
Alright.
I'm coming, let me get ready, okay?
What a wonderful night. A beautiful night. A beautiful couple. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight is a wonderful one because we have a very lovely couple. Look at her ravishing in her golden outfit. The color is so beautiful. It is a night, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Nick and Mrs. Mary. Would a clap for them? A round of applause. A round of applause for the bride. And when you look at the groom, you see what color combination can be. When love match, color emerges. You know what we're talking about. Look at Mr. Nick on blue and white. That is so awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, we're celebrating a very awesome couple. Not just some couple, but a friend of mine that have seen their marriage grow like a tree that is planted by the riverside. You know, it's your say you marry. Upon all these divorce where they happen, it is so awesome that a marriage of 13 can still hold. It is a night that God has designed Himself because it can only be God Himself. For them to have been in this marriage this long and want to celebrate, let's celebrate with them. Another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And you know, I know that you guys have taken enough, but yet we are going to pump the champagne. You never reach organic. This what I'm trying to say now is that this couple, the way they are smiling, has shown how lovely marriage can be, even in the midst of divorce. Another round of applause. Now, we have to commit this occasion to our Lord Jesus. This is the 13th anniversary of this wonderful couple, Nick and Mary. Please, let's rise and call the cake couple. The groom and the bride. All right. Good, the couple are standing up. for their 13 years of glory in this marriage. And can we have a very special people in their lives to stand up as well and celebrate this special night? The bride's elder sister, Miss Ndidi, get up. And second but not least, the uncle, Mr. Okafor. Can you get up? Miss Natasha, the friend to the family, can you get up? And friends and family, please, can you all get up? Let's celebrate today. Please, it's a wonderful day. If we not do for person, no, God will do for now. We will reach our own.
Amen.
All right, let's go. So, let's celebrate tonight in the name of the Creator. His Son has a name, and his name is Jesus. So we're going to cut this cake for this anniversary in the name of Jesus. Can we go with the initials? J. E. S. U. S.
Jesus.
Exactly what I complained about at home. This was what I was telling you. Now my husband noticed your mood. He asked me to come and pacify you. What is it? Sissy, it's my anniversary. Everyone is happy. Why not losing yourself? Be happy, mingle. You never know, you might meet someone, start up a relationship or something.
I understand, kid sis. But I mean, I can't mingle with anyone here. Not in my younger sister's wedding anniversary. I mean, it's a slap on my face, please.
Sis, it doesn't matter.
It matters to me a lot.
Says who? How does that matter? The most important thing is your sister is doing well, you are doing well. Your time will come. Let's just be happy. Loosen up, take advantage of the time, of the moment. Be happy, loosen up. Sis, please, I'm begging you, for my sake. This is not the face I expect to see today.
Alright, it's fine. It's fine.
I love you. I love you too. Don't worry, everything will be fine, okay?
Yeah.
Now let's go.
Hello, sweet boy.
Hi, beautiful. I didn't know you would finally call.
Oh, really? Well, I just wanted to surprise you.
I'm so happy.
Are you sure?
I've never been more sure than I am right now, trust me. Don't back me the Casanova tag, okay? There are still good guys out there, and trust me, I'm one of them.
Oh, please, shut your mouth. Chocolate-coated tongue.
The most pleasant word I've ever heard.
Sweetheart.
What?
You are so special. I actually thought you were sweet-mouthed like other men.
Really?
Of course.
You know, you underrated my emotions. But you know what? I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. That's if you're ready to be serious.
Of course I am ready. I do not need to convince you.
For real?
Of course.
Come here.
You.
I love you.
I love you too, naughty.
No, I think they're already okay. So let's...
Please. Whatever. We can do whatever we want to do. This is my younger sister's house.
For real?
Besides, yeah, she's my younger sister, so whatever.
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome, guys.
Thank you, sis. Hi, welcome.
Hello. Hi. How are you?
I'm good.
Baby,
Yeah.
how was the day?
It's fine.
And who are you?
Oh, Tony. Meet Tony. The guy I met at your wedding anniversary.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I see. One of the uninvited boys that made that day very awesome.
Sweetheart, Tony, you're welcome.
Thank
you guys
you.
actually made that day wonderful.
Thank you. Well pleased to meet both of you.
Thank you. So?
Oh, of course he is my boyfriend.
Okay. So, young man, what do you do for a living?
Actually, sir, I'm a DJ. I also managed a nightclub and hype man.
Wow.
Also make skits. Yeah, I'm an influencer.
I see.
Yes, I do a whole lot of stuff. Yeah.
You do a whole lot of things.
So I'm into a whole lot of stuff. Yeah.
Wow, I see.
Thank you.
Actually, do you know the name of that wine you're drinking?
Sweetheart.
Oh, never mind. That's Vega Sicilia, 1978. Okay. So what's your area of specialization?
Baby, should I tell you?
Of course, darling. Tell them.
Okay. Actually.
It's okay, never mind. Honey, come on, take care of them, please. Give him more wine.
Oh, okay, babes. I'm sure my gig sis is already doing that job. So Mr. Oh, Tony.
All right, T for short. That's what's up.
I see. Do you need anything else?
No, I'm fine.
No, you're good. I'm sure. My sister has a good boss. We have cheese. Make yourself comfortable, Mr. Tony.
Babe, what is it?
No, you know what? I guess it's time I take my leave. Okay, talk on the
Why?
phone.
Babe, where you?
I'll pay you that. I'll get up. Just hold on. I'll call you back. Ndidi. How are you?
I'm fine.
You know, I've begged and begged and begged for you to stay back, but you refused. Since you insisted, it's okay. I wish you luck.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for all you guys do for me. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
It's okay. Just give me a minute, okay? Come in.
Okay, Babes. Big sis, really, I don't know why you're going. I'm tired of begging you. I don't know.
Like I said, I need to